5 reasons to drink ginger tea. Ginger is considered one of the most potent foods of the 21st century since it fights germs, parasites, and viruses while also reducing edema. Ginger is high in vitamin C, magnesium, and other minerals, making it beneficial to your general well-being. It's well known for boosting digestion and immunity, relieving pain, and combating cardiovascular illnesses, asthma, and a variety of other health issues. In the winter, nothing beats a cup of hot ginger tea to keep you warm. Ginger tea provides a variety of health benefits, including the following. Because ginger is high in antioxidants, it can help fight infections and strengthen the immune system. It works well against viruses that cause flu, colds, and cold sores. Ginger's warming effects aid circulation and the transport of oxygen, vitamins, and minerals. Ginger can help with aches and pains, as well as colds, flu, and headaches. Ginger tea has been shown to reduce the risk of stroke. Are you ready to experiment with ginger? Here's how to make ginger tea. Ingredients: organic honey, coconut milk, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Preparation: ginger tea is a breeze to make. To begin, bring the water to a boil. After that, add the turmeric and ginger, and let aside for 7 to 10 minutes. After that, pour in the milk and drain the tea into a cup. Enhance the flavor of your tea and reap the benefits. Remember to like and subscribe. Check out the links below. Enjoy!